The Masters in Strategic Health and Wellbeing Leadership in T.U.S. Midwest is a 12-month Level 9 program. It builds on your existing qualifications, and it can broaden your career options. You will learn how to plan, deliver, and evaluate evidence-informed health and well-being initiatives that make a real difference for people across communities, workplaces, and education and health settings. Let's look at the modules in Semester 1.
At a time when mental health challenges, hybrid working, burnout are key societal issues, the module Key Pillars of Health and Wellbeing will look at different areas such as your physical, your mental, your social, and also your environmental factors, and how they can shape and interact in the different settings that we work and live in. As part of this module, you will have exposure to real-life case studies, workshops, and also how to apply theory to practice. By the end of the module, you will have developed a suite of resources, understand how to develop different toolkits, and also how to evaluate key initiatives so you can make them more sustainable in the future.
Health promotion is about helping people to take control over their own health and happiness, and by doing so build the social, physical and personal resources that support a better quality of life. We look at a range of approaches to health promotion, from individual behaviour change right through to wider social and environmental change. We will put a strong focus on behaviour change and what the evidence shows is genuinely effective. We'll also explore the social determinants of health. In other words, the causes of ill health, like the conditions people live, work and learn in, and how these can drive health inequalities. For the assignment, you will design a real-world health and wellbeing promotion initiative. And the skills you will develop translate well beyond health. Critical thinking, independent learning, and the ability to use behaviour change theory to design practical initiatives.
So the first of those modules is strategic planning for health and well-being. So we learn how to construct a strategic plan. The idea is that as leaders within the health and well-being space, we will be able to plan successfully, implement plans and carry them through to their fruition. So we'll be looking at how to construct a plan, how to define vision, mission and values for an organisation, all in the context of health and well-being, how to define our goals, key performance indicators, how to communicate the plan successfully, how to involve stakeholders and make sure we follow correct governance procedures.
In the personal wellbeing and professional development module, you will explore self-awareness, practical tools around wellbeing and how to develop self-reflection to sustain long-term wellbeing and professional growth. As part of this module, you will get access to different self-care techniques, exercises, assessment tools that can have an impact on your own personal life but also apply to your professional life. By the end of the module, you will be able to assess your own well-being and professional goals and needs, and then how you can apply them to enhance your own well-being and professional development.
Lectures and tutorials run across 2 full days each week in Limerick City. You will also have assignments and independent study, but you will have time to work if you choose to. Our teaching approach is active and applied, so you'll learn by doing. We also offer flexible attendance. You can attend in person or join live online when you need to. This allows you to fit your study around your work and life, not the other way around. Our in-person connection days in Limerick will help you build your personal and professional network. Here are the modules you'll study in Semester 2.
Managing health and wellbeing projects provides students with skills in structured project planning, team leadership and communication, and evaluating impact using measurable outcomes. We work through the full project cycle, from initiation and planning through delivery and control, right through to close and evaluation. In practical terms, students will work together in class to apply project management concepts and tools to real health and well-being scenarios, exploring how these ideas operate in real organizational contexts. The main assessment is a project proposal, where students design a complete health and well-being project plan and present how they would implement, manage, and evaluate it in practice. While the examples are health and well-being focused, project management skills transfer well to other sectors too, especially roles that involve leading teams, managing timelines and stakeholders, and delivering measurable outcomes. The module is important as it prepares students to take an idea and turn it into a well-run project, with clear planning, good delivery, and a proper evaluation of what impact it actually had.
In the Applied Research module, you'll learn applied research methods you can use in real health and well-being settings. You'll explore qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods research designs, and get hands-on with data collection, analysis, and writing up your findings. We'll show you how to manage both numbers and narratives, make sense of them, understand what they are telling you, and present clear results. And you'll practice communicating that insight in ways that different audiences can understand and act on, particularly in real-world contexts.
The second module is leadership and change management. We delve into all the different theories on leadership and find which ones are most applicable for leading health and well-being projects. Okay, we also look at the culture of organizations and the importance of culture, and we look at change. How can we change a culture? We do a good bit of reflection within the module, where the students are asked to do a reflective journal to reflect on their own experiences of leadership. And then the final thing we look at is team dynamics and how to build successful teams and organizations, because to be a successful leader, we need to understand how to get people to work together and build successful teams.
In the Integrative Practices and Emerging Trends in Health and Wellbeing module, there are really two connected strands. Firstly, we build on the pillars of health and wellbeing and the health and wellbeing promotion modules. And we look at how you design interventions and programs, initiatives, and even policy using a holistic whole person approach. Now, we'll also look at what's shaping the wellbeing space right now, but always through an evidence-informed lens. Now, a key part of the module is producing an evidence-informed podcast episode. So you get to practice translating research into accurate, accessible, public-facing communication. And so the skills you develop are highly relevant for the world of work, especially where misinformation, disinformation, and what we call wellness washing can distort what people think actually works.
You'll choose a dissertation topic that matters to you, and with supervisor support, carry out a substantial piece of independent research in that area. If your work is of a high standard, there is potential to submit it for publication. Who knows, you may even get the research bug and continue on to PhD level after you graduate. Here's the module leader to tell you a little more about the research dissertation.
The research thesis module allows you to carry out original, industry-relevant academic research on a contemporary issue of your own choosing. Along the way, you'll learn how to find and critically interpret literature, design and conduct an appropriate methodology, and report on how your findings add to existing knowledge in the field. You'll also present and defend your work in an oral presentation. It's a chance to explore a topic that matters to you and produce research that can be useful and practical in your own workplace.
If you'd like to find out more about this unique and innovative program, scan the QR code for entry routes, fees, key dates, how to apply, and our Instagram page. If you'd like to get further information, please contact the program lead at the email on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the program.